Operators, when selecting an MRO for a C-check, should really consider the experience and the capabilities that that facility has. When an aircraft comes in for a heavy inspection, it's tore apart, and you want to make sure that aircraft can get reassembled, the inspection can go according to plan, and can deliver a clean, squawk-free aircraft. Operators could face issues going to smaller shops with surprises found during the inspection. If you have a major repair that needs to be accomplished, they may not have the capabilities or the tooling to do that themselves. It may require them to bring in outside vendors, which could delay schedules and extend the budget. We've got all the capabilities that we need to do a C-check. You never know what you're going to run into. Aircraft behind us, we're removing a fuel plank to fix fuel leaks. We've got all the capabilities here to do that. We've got in-house back shops where we need to do a repair. We've got all the capabilities here to manage that ourselves. We can control the schedule with that capability. Our relationships with OEMs are very important. We have components that get sent out for overhaul. We've got questions that can be asked to the OEM for repair strategies, assistance if it's needed for engineering, history of repairs that can be reused. When we do landing gear overhaul, our OEMs know what our requirements are going to be. They know what timelines we're going to be working towards. We've got relationships with them so that any repairs that are needed, we're able to work through those together to keep the aircraft on schedule. Duncan Aviation's experience with the Falcon aircraft is extensive. We've got tech reps that have been here for 25 plus years, maybe even closer to 30. We've got team leaders and lead mechanics that have many years of experience working together on the Falcon aircraft. The back shops can help support the C-checks by doing structural repairs, fuel leak repairs, component repairs. We've got our own engineering department on site, engine shops. Anything we run across through the course of a C-check, we're typically able to take care of that ourselves in-house to help manage the costs and the schedule. Operators' reactions after the completion of a C-check is usually very, very happy. The amount of work that goes into a C-check, the way the aircraft is disassembled and reassembled again, we have checklists that we go through on post runs. We're checking all the systems very thoroughly. It's not unusual that we go on a test flight post C-check and have a squawk-free test flight, and the customer is able to leave that afternoon.